like Salem silk concept. In Salem silk concepts variety, you will be getting in these kind of the beautifully golden shaded with the white color shade color work you will be getting here, guys. See how beautiful. All these kind of the segment you will be getting here. Complete length आएगी.
यस सर.
क्या रेट हो जाने वाली है?
ये रहेगा सर 655.
655. ओके. So hello guys, welcome back to our KCR Textile Company. In all these kind of the sections, I am going to be showcasing some of the many varieties. But first of all, let me say these are the bridal segment. It's particular belong to only single sections in which you will be getting total bridal box segment. In which in the next variety I have to show will be the silk pattu concepts. Yeah, in which you will be getting currently running demanding segment, guys. Yeah, with us counter sales executive person Mr. Prakash will be there, Prakash Singh, who will be guide us that what kind of the concepts, what kind of the varieties we are having here, guys. So keep tuned till the end. Any of the varieties you liked, have the screenshot and send to screen available number. That's all I have to say. In between, I'm going to be having the chit chat with our Prakash sir in Hindi language. Yeah, guys, he will be prefer in Hindi. So, hi sir, कैसे हो?
बढ़िया हूँ.
बढ़िया हो? फाइन फाइन. ओके सर जी. तो आज हमारे जो कस्टमर्स है, ऑडियंस है, उनके हिसाब से जो अपने पास जो वेराइटी है बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन विथ रेट आप मेंशन करिए. स्टार्टिंग रेट का क्या हो जाती है और कहाँ कौन सा टेस्ट अपन रखते हैं, कौन से राज्यों के स्टेट टेस्ट अपन रखते हैं, वो सारी की सारी वेराइटी होती है. तो पहला कौन सा हो जाता है अपना?
ये देखिए सर.
In first, you will be getting like Salem silk concept. In Salem silk concepts variety, you will be getting in these kind of the beautifully golden shaded with the white color shade color work you will be getting here, guys. See how beautiful. All these kind of the segment you will be getting here. Complete length आएगी.
Yes sir.
क्या रेट हो जाने वाली है?
ये रहेगा सर 655.
655. Okay. Starting rate what will be?
यहाँ पे सर 290 से 289 से स्टार्टिंग है.
Okay, 289 will be the starting price of silk counter in which you will be getting this kind of the fancy segment above 500, 600, 700, 800 concepts also you will be getting here. So what about this sir?
ये रहेगा सर 765.
765.
Yes.
What kind of the taste you will be getting here?
ये सर तमिलनाडु का टेस्ट है.
तमिलनाडु taste.
हाँ.
Okay, fine. Proper viewing you will be having here.
Yes,
there will be not having any kind of the damage or defects in any of our variety.
No damage.
Okay, fine. What about this sir?
ये रहेगा 655.
655. Okay, first time we are disclosing all the rates we are having here. Approx range we are having. If you want to know the fixed range, you have to call the screen available number. See guys, these kind of the beautifully checks pattern in which you will be getting here. See guys, beautiful. Which state taste?
ये रहेगा सर महाराष्ट्र और साउथ का टेस्ट रहेगा.
ओके फाइन. अभी जो अगला है ये कौन से राज्य का स्टेट है?
ये रहेगा सर तमिलनाडु का.
तमिलनाडु का.
जी सर.
फाइन. You will be getting this kind of the segment in which you will be getting all these kind of the varieties. See, if you prefer, single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise. Can you show me the one set you will be getting here? One set I have to show in which you will be getting complete concepts you will be getting here. See guys.
ये देखिए ऐसा सेट आएगा, आपको पूरा सेट टू सेट परचेस करना.
Design will be the same, colors shade will be the different.
हाँ,
okay, fine. Designs, all the designs you will be getting will be the same, but the color shades you will be getting will be the different. So next variety, please. Any of the concepts you want to be opening? See, in this you will be getting all these kind of the segment. This is the factory rate. What about this, sir? What's the rate?
ये 1035.
1035.
Yes,
okay, fine. It's the fixed price or any discount?
No sir.
It's the fixed price. Okay, fine. See, which state taste you will be getting here in this?
ये तमिलनाडु का टेस्ट.
तमिलनाडु. ओके फाइन. दिस प्रॉपर मतलब अधिक से अधिक वैरायटी जो है अपने तमिलनाडु के या फिर साउथ के कॉन्सेप्ट पैटर्न का ये पूरा सेक्शन अपना. मिल्क सिल्क सेक्शन देखना हो तो अपने को वहां देखना पड़ेगा, जहाँ इन विच द मिक्स सिल्क सेक्शन यू विल बी गेटिंग हियर. ऑन दैट द कस्टमर्स आर परचेसिंग. Yeah guys, so that's why we are having some of these kind of the segment in which you will be getting cotton segment also you will be getting here. See guys, in these kind of the segment proper brand new collections you will be getting here. See guys, see all these kind of segment you will be getting here. So what is the minimum purchase we can do?
यहाँ पे सर आपको 20,000 से 25,000 तक परचेस करना पड़ेगा.
मिनिमम परचेसिंग. ज्यादा कितना भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ सर.
Okay, fine. Video call facility available रहेगी?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. So guys, in today's video, that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in the comment section. प्रकाश जी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने अपना अमूल्य समय दिया और बहुत सारी जानकारी आपने साझा की। इसी तरह आगामी वीडियो में आप आते रहिएगा और जानकारी साझा करते रहिएगा।
बिल्कुल सर,
धन्यवाद।
बिल्कुल।
So in today's video, that's all. Call the screen available number. They will contact you at whatever the steps they can guess. So no need to worry. Call the screen available number and press your bell icon. Press our bell icon button to get all the regular notifications and updates. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।